Well, I left this job for a week or so because I really didn't want to do it. But here I am, back again, pulling my 20mm conduits through under the house, up some bit of space in this area here, beside that duct. So that goes up into this 10-foot ceiling, then into the manhole. One out there. There's an additional one there for a link that joins to those two up there. And then there's another one here, coming out up somewhere up there. Haven't done that yet. Then around the side of the house here on the other one. Bear with me, I'll walk around. To the other side, which this is the longest run here. And beside that one is this flat one, which is now going, it was all going to come down here, down that wall there, and then under the house and off to Whoop. But I'm going to put another hole into that main section to go down the thoroughfare where the ducting is. So this third pull is going to use up most of this, and I won't have enough for the fourth run, and that was 84 meters long. Can you believe it? So that's 4 pulls here, there and everywhere to this point here, plus a link from one to the other has used up, well, I'm going to need more than 84 meters of my prefabricated conduit DC cable mains. So I will say one thing, I used a tub of PVC glue that was a little bit old, and when it gets a little bit old, it just glues, it doesn't really weld. So some of these have cracked on me and twisted. Next time, if I'm going to do this, I'll be using a brand new tub of PVC glue.